Huawei's consumer electronics business has been working on building an entire ecosystem of products to complement its smartphones over the past few years. Huawei calls the initiative 1+8+N, but the Chinese tech giant has made a noticeably harder push at doing so in recent months, probably because its once thriving smartphone business has been decimated by US sanctions. In the last few months alone, Huawei has released audio sunglasses, luxury smartwatches, over-the-ear headphones, smart speakers, and now, a smart television named the Vision S. Just looking at the Vision S, it looks like any other modern television. It's thin, with minimum bezels, and the display produces very punchy colors. But the Vision S stands out from other TVs in three areas. It has a display that refreshes at 120 Hz, also can be called 120 frames per second. It has a 1080p detachable webcam for video calls, and it connects with Huawei smartphones seamlessly. I had the chance to check out the Vision S for a couple of hours in Hong Kong recently, and here are my impressions. More natural motion smoothing. Let's go over these features one by one. The 120 Hz refresh rate is important because it allows superior MEMC, motion estimation, motion compensation, or otherwise better known as motion smoothing. Most modern online videos we watch are shot in 30 FPS, frames per second, because that's the default standard of digital cameras. Feature-length movies that are shown in cinemas, however, are shot in 24 FPS because that's an old standard set by Hollywood studios. Most modern TVs, however, have a screen that can refresh at 60 Hz, and so they sometimes use motion smoothing to convert a video to play at 60 FPS. This is fine for 30 FPS videos because it's easy enough to just double the frames. But movies can look really weird because 60 is not a multiple of 24. This is where 120 Hz is advantageous. Not only is it twice as smooth as 60 Hz, but 120 is also a multiple of 24 and 30, meaning it can apply MEMC technology to both types of videos and not create an unnatural result. Huawei's Vivion S uses its own in-house algorithm to turn videos to a 120 FPS video. I only had brief time with a short movie clip, and it looked natural enough. It's still not ideal in my opinion as a film buff. I believe if a filmmaker made a film at 24 FPS, then we should watch it in 24 FPS, but it's nice to know the option is there for those who want 120 Hz fluidity. The 1080p camera that comes included with the TV package attaches to the back of the TV via magnetic pogo pins. It can be removed easily. Considering most laptop webcams are of low quality, 720p or lower resolution, that makes video shot with the 1080p camera noticeably smoother. A Huawei Vision S can video call another Vision S or a Huawei smartphone directly without the need for additional software.